Get your work done faster with maximum productivity, higher accuracy, giving you the competitive edge you need today. Introducing the PlateMaster, a productivity workhorse that can increase your shop's profitability. The PlateMaster processes mild steel, stainless steel, or aluminum. You will breeze through tough cutting jobs in thicknesses ranging from gauge all the way up to 12 inches. The PlateMaster is a rugged steel box beam constructed gantry cutting machine and is built to perform in your shop's rigorous production environment for years. The all-new PlateMaster features Messer Global S control, brushless digital drives, multi-station band drive, X-axis rail system, Messer OL200 torch lifter, ALFA Oxyfuel torch system, X-axis wheels and guides, OmniFlow automatic gas control, enclosed control cabinet, plasma torch collision protection, dual box beam, slagger table. Let's take a closer look. The PlateMaster is an economical solution to your cutting needs. Rugged floor-mounted rails machined from 90-pound crane rail stock form the foundation for smooth motion required by today's high-performance plasma and oxyfuel torches. Add heavily internally gusseted end trucks to support the steel dual box beam, and you have a gantry ready to carry the cutting processes while offering you excellent part quality and productivity. With speeds up to 1400 IPM, your productivity and profitability will increase with up to 6 stations. Choose from up to 2 plasma stations or up to 6 oxyfuel stations. You'll be cutting a whole new range of parts, adding to your shop's profitability. It's built tough for long-term durability. The dual box beam and precisely machined weigh and gear rack surfaces provide lasting strength, durability, and precision. The PlateMaster has smooth and accurate motion that yields high-quality cut parts. It starts in the X-axis system. This oversized floor-mounted rail provides a rigid foundation for smooth and stable machine motion. Fast and accurate installation is assured with the Messer exclusive precision leveling and alignment pads. Large diameter drive wheels combined with a unique preloaded compliant guide system deliver superior drive motion. Brushless 2.3 horsepower digital drives are zero maintenance, high compliance digital drives that provide the smoothest possible cut edge. With no brushes to change and no required tune-ups, you'll keep producing parts with speeds up to 1400 inches per minute. Large diameter hardened pinions transmit this power through 1-inch wide gear rack. Both X and Y gear rack systems are mounted in machined steps to ensure precision alignment and maximum accuracy. The multi-station band drive is constructed of a high-strength stainless steel band that provides easy, cost-saving, multi-torch cutting and fast torch spacing setup. The power track keeps hoses, cables, wiring, and plasma leads clean, organized, and protected. You can choose standard cutting widths from 7 to 14 feet and lengths ranging from 13 to 80 feet to match your productivity needs. The amplifier and control cabinet is easily accessible. Digital drives, indicating fuse holders, low-cost replacement I/O modules, LED status lights, and more reduce and limit your repair and maintenance costs. We at Messer are always concerned about operator convenience. With over 100 years of worldwide expertise in the metal cutting industry, Messer has designed our PC-based Global S control. Your operator will really appreciate how easy it is to use this touchscreen-based control. It's the industry standard for reliability, features, and performance. Messer has incorporated the latest technology to a simple, familiar Windows-like interface that speeds up setup times and reduces errors with its automatic graphics and nesting features. You'll save time and money with consistent part quality between operators and shift changes. All cutting parameters are selected from an internal database, resulting in the best cut quality no matter what the operator's skill level. Coupled with our virtual service, this control puts applications and service help one push button away. Less downtime means more profit. Multiple processes mean maximum versatility and maximum productivity. The PlateMaster can be outfitted with any of a variety of processes to maximize productivity in your shop. Your PlateMaster can support up to 2 high-performance plasma systems and up to 6 Oxyfuel systems, including the optional Messer ALFA Oxyfuel torch systems with integrated ignition and probeless height control. There are no probes to burn up or external igniters to foul. Plasma torches are equipped with collision protection. No more expensive torch repairs after a collision. Just drop torch back into holder for a quick and simple realignment. You save both downtime and money. All torch systems are suspended by the Messer family of torch lifters. These rugged, high-speed, low-maintenance torch lifters provide rigid torch support, resulting in the smoothest cut finish. Designed to operate in the harsh plasma and oxyfuel environment, these maintenance-free sealed bearings and ball screw drive are limit switch protected, providing smooth, long-lasting performance. With the OmniFlow automatic gas control, operators concentrate on cutting parts, not on costly torch setup and adjustments. Internal database makes novices experts in minutes, not years. Less scrap and setup time means more profit for your shop. The PlateMaster gives you the power to increase productivity, reduce cutting costs, and increase your profitability. It delivers exceptional cutting speeds, excellent part cut quality, and reliability. An optional laser pointer allows your operator to quickly and accurately position the torch on the material, reducing waste. Touching off 3 points with the laser will automatically rotate the part program to match any misalignment between the material and the cutting table, again reducing waste and time. Plus, the PlateMaster can handle any type of part marking. Air Scribe Marker uses a reciprocating pin to mark on mild steel, stainless, and aluminum. Easy Flow Powder Marker for semi-permanent, easy-to-read marking using zinc powder. Durable non-contact marking is easy with the single dot inkjet option. Mark, bend lines, drill center points, characters, and more. Pneumatic Punch Marker for impact marking of layout lines and hole locations on thicker material 300 inches per minute. Reducing layout work and increased accuracy in post-cutting operations saves you money. The PlateMaster can be equipped with the slagger-zoned and ducted exhaust table with push-button automatic cleaning. It pushes slag from the table bottom to a collection point at the end of the table. Plus, it has excellent smoke removal from a series of ducted zones that open only at the cutting machine location. Dropped parts can easily be retrieved and the table cleaned efficiently. You spend more time cutting and less time cleaning. Messer Cutting Systems is committed to providing quality cutting machines, which is evidenced in our long track record of machines that provide durability and precision in the field. We are a long-time AMT member and adhere to the exacting standards of the machine tool industry. We provide worldwide technical support to help you get the most productivity from your machine. We maintain a thoroughly trained service department that provides phone assistance, parts, machine repair, and preventative maintenance. Plus, you can get regularly scheduled maintenance with our Sentry service program to keep your PlateMaster running like new, which ensures maximum uptime greater efficiency, and lowering operating costs. Messer has over 100 years of worldwide experience in the thermal cutting machine industry. Combined with our customer-first philosophy is our foundation for offering a superior line of machines. When you need to make parts, it's the plasma and oxyfuel cutting game changer. The PlateMaster can transform your shop into a leaner, more profitable operation. Now your shop can competitively expand into new markets. Its rugged and powerful construction, plus smooth and accurate motion, will output high-quality parts year after year. It's an economical solution to your cutting needs. The PlateMaster will change the way you measure productivity. From the leader in productivity, Messer Cutting Systems, your productivity process people.